guys, today I'll be showing you how to select the Fortnite Lego characters in Fortnite. You probably already saw the trailer of Lego Fortnite and the new characters they have, the Lego versions of the normal skins. So if you're in Fortnite right here, normal lobby, and you scroll down to all these maps, all these games you can play, you want to go to the Buy Epic section right here, and then you can see Lego Fortnite. You want to click on that, then you can get this screen right here, press on select, and now your character changes automatically to the Lego version of it. Now if you want to play in a world, you want to select a world, you can either create one or you can check out your shared worlds, and then you can hit play right here. If you want to check out the Fortnite Lego skins that you can buy, you can either go right here to the item shop when you're on Fortnite Lego, then everything will be Lego. You can also buy houses right here, or if you're on the normal Battle Royale, you can also go to the item shop. Here it shows the normal skins you could buy, but if you click on a skin, let's choose this one right here, now you can see it has the normal skin, the back bling, but you can also see the Lego version of it. So if you want to purchase a skin in the normal item shop, you can also check out how it would look in the Lego version if you want to get it. So that's where you can see that. And if you want to play Lego Fortnite, your skin changes automatically. Just click on Lego Fortnite in the Buy Epic section and your skin will change.